Hello, today we're going to be calculating how much you're going to be getting paid for overtime work, and then based off of that, if you have a surplus or deficit for the month. So how we're going to calculate this is we're going to say that I worked 45 hours. I'm basing this off of my own finances. So we're going to say we worked 45 hours a week each week over the course of a month. And we're getting paid $17.69 an hour, normally, under normal circumstances. So we'll do 17.69 times 40, and that gets us a pay of $707.60. So let's times this by 4 because this is over the course of a month. That brings us to $2,830.40. Now we got to calculate overtime pay. Now how we do that is the federal government says that we should be paid time and a half for anything over 40 hours a week. So we'll be getting 5 hours of overtime, and to calculate your time and a half you just do 17.69 times 1.5, and that is 26.54. So we'll do 26.54 times that, and since this is for 4 weeks, because 4 weeks in a month, we'll do 20. Will be 20 hours of overtime, and that will equal $530.70. So what we'll now do is we'll take the 530, add it to the already made 2,830.40 cents, and that will bring us a total of $3,361.10. So that will be our overall pay for the month. Now to calculate a surplus or deficient, you do income minus expenses, and then that will lead to either a deficit or a surplus. Just kind of depends on what your expenses are. So we can actually do this through, I've actually tracked some of my expenses. So as you can see here, change this pay to $3,361.10, and then all the expenses total up, such as like gas, food, education, subscriptions, miscellaneous. We can see that the total expenses are, let's put this back, $705.96. All right. So now we take our income, which is $3,361.10, minus that from 596. That brings us a surplus of $2,655.14. So this is how you calculate your overtime and your surplus or deficient. Basically, you just take your hours that you're getting paid overtime and times that by time and a half, and this was calculating with Medicare and Social Security in mind. And yeah, so this is basically how you calculate both of these to make sure you're keeping a balanced budget and keeping a good savings ratio. Thank you so much.